Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury beauty, luxury makeup, high-end beauty and high-end makeup, which luxury and high-end are the same thing, but it makes me feel good to say luxury and high-end. So today, y'all, we are gonna be talking about the new, well, I don't know if it's new. It's been out for a little bit now. This Beautyblender Bounce Skin Tint. So I was lucky enough to receive this complimentary from Influencer along with a little beauty blender. I was super excited about this one, y'all. I was actually gonna pick this up during the sale because I've heard some really good things about it, but I got sent it from Influencer. So really, really cool. I have it in the shade Light 1. So if you want to see how this applies and hear my thoughts on it, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, I was lucky enough to get this Beautyblender Bounce Skin Tint from Influencer, as well as this little beauty blender. I was super excited about this one, y'all. They sent it to me in the shade Light 1. I have heard really, really good things about this. And as you can see, it's a little bottle, kind of like a serum. So I squeezed that. Let's see, I haven't even opened it yet, y'all. Okay, so like a little droplet. So I'm gonna actually put some on the back of my hand. Okay. It picked up a lot. It is a little runny, as you can see, but not like extremely liquidy. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot more liquidy. Literally has, I mean, there's maybe like a faint scent, but nothing crazy. So let's go ahead and apply this to my face. I forgot to mention, all I have on my face right now is my skincare. So there is one really light layer on this side of my face with nothing on this side. I mean, for being like a skin tint, that provided quite a bit of coverage and it blended really easily. That's really nice. So let's build it up a little bit on this side. Okay, so that built up beautifully. It's got right now a not very dewy finish. I don't want to say it's like super dewy, but it definitely looks very natural and really pretty. So let's finish up my face. Okay, so there it is over my entire face. My skin just looks like juicy and healthy. Like, that's the only way I know how to describe it. It looks healthy, it looks juicy. The shade is a little pale, but I think that once I bronze my face up and finish up my whole face, it'll look a lot better. But I mean, this is really nice, y'all. And like I said, it doesn't have any kind of scent. Let me pick up my mirror again and look at it. Yeah, I mean, it really, I mean, I have this pimple that's coming up right here, and then I have a few blemishes right here, but I mean, for the most part, it kind of covered them up. I mean, I'm still gonna add a little bit of my NARS concealer just so, you know, I want a flawless face, but this is really nice. It blended really nicely with the Beauty Blender, which I wouldn't expect any less considering it's their foundation, but I mean, let me know what y'all think. Does this look nice? I kind of really like it. I'll have to leave an update as to how it wears all day, and then yeah, this is really, really nice. So let me go ahead and finish up my face, and I will come back with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I obviously finished up my face. This is a really nice foundation. I am very pleasantly surprised. I've had it on for, I guess like 30 minutes now, and it really looks beautiful. I set it with a little bit of my Clé de Peau translucent loose setting powder. Like I said before, I set all of my foundations with that, but this is really nice. So I will wear it for the day. I'll leave a pinned comment down below to let you know how it wore. But overall, this is really nice. I don't think that oily skinned people would like it, but I could be wrong because it's not like overly dewy. You know what I mean? It's not like so dewy that it looks greasy or anything like that, but it is still pretty dewy. So let me know in the comment section down below, have you tried this? Do you like it? Thank you again to Influencer for sending me this and a new beauty blender. It's great. Like, I'm really glad to have it in my collection. So if you like this video, y'all, please hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.